Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 5. Which one of following pairs of structure is correctly matched with the correct description? Cartilage, cornea, no blood supply but do require oxygen for respiratory need. Option 2. Shoulder joint and elbow, ball and socket type of joint. Premolars and molars, 20 in all 3 root. Tibia and fibula both form part of knee joint. You have to tell which of the following pair of structures are correctly matched with their description. The correct answer is option 1. The cartilage and cornea, there is no blood supply but they do require oxygen for the respiratory needs. Question number 91. Listed below are 4 respiratory capacities A to D and 4 jumbled respiratory volumes of a normal human adult. Which of the following is correct matching of the two capacities and volumes? The capacities are given above as residual volume 2500 ml, vital capacity 3500 ml, inspiratory reserve volume 1200 ml, inspiratory capacity 4500 ml. Which one of the following is correct matching of the two capacities? The correct answer is option 3, that is the inspiratory capacity is 3500 ml and the residual volume is 1200 ml. So see, the columns are two different columns: residual volume, vital capacity, inspiratory reserve volume and inspiratory capacity. This is one column and the volume given in front of them is a jumbled volume. So out of these 4 volumes you have to identify which one fits the which volume or capacity correctly. Question number 58. Which type of WBCs are concerned with release of histamine and neural anticoagulant heparin? Monocyte, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils. The correct answer is option C, basophils. Question number 74. Typical growth curve in plants is linear, stair-step shaped, parabolic, sigmoid. Typical growth curve in plants is. The correct answer is option D, it is sigmoid in shape. Question number 67. Housefly belongs to family option A, Muscidae, option B, Anacardiae, option C, Poaceae, option D, Hominida. Housefly belongs to family. Correct answer is option A, family Muscidae. Question number 81. Which one of the following pair of plants are not seed producers? Option A, Funaria and Fucus. Option B, Fern and Funaria. Option C, Funaria and Pinus. Or option D, Fucus and Chlamydomonas. Which one of the following pair of plants are not seed producers? The correct answer is option B, Fern and Funaria. Question number 56. Agar agar is produced by option A, fungus, option B, algae, option C, bacteria, option D, blue-green algae. Agar agar is produced by. Correct answer is option B, algae. Question number 65. Polyethylene glycol method is used for biodiesel production, seedless fruit production, energy production from sewage, gene transfer without a vector. The correct answer is option 4. It is used for gene transfer without a vector. Polyethylene glycol, also known as PEG. Question number 96. Consider the following 4 statements and select the option which includes only the correct statements. Single cell spirulina produces large quantities of food rich in protein, mineral and vitamin. Body weight wise, the microorganism Methylophilus methylotropus may be able to produce several times more protein than cow per day. common button mushroom is rich in vitamin C. A rice variety has been developed which is rich in calcium. You have to tell which of these statements are correct. The correct answer is option 3, that is statement A and statement B are correct. Question number 88. Skin color is controlled by single gene, 3 pairs of genes, 2 pairs of genes, 2 pair of genes with an intragene. Skin color is controlled by. Correct answer is option B. It is controlled by 3 pairs of genes. Question number 75. Which of the following items give its correct total number? Cervical vertebrae in humans 8, floating ribs in humans 4, amino acids found in protein 16, types of diabetes 3. The correct answer is option B. Floating ribs in humans are 4 in number. Question number 90. Sertoli cells are found in ovaries and secrete progesterone, adrenal cortex secrete adrenaline, seminiferous tubules provide nutrition to the germ cells, pancreas and secrete cholecystokinin. Sertoli cells are found in. Correct answer is option C. It is found in seminiferous tubules and they provide the nutrition to the germ cells. Question number 54. First vascular plant is thallophyte, pteridophyte, bryophyte or spermatophyte. First vascular plant is. Correct answer is option B, pteridophyte. Question number 69. In pteridophytes, phloem is without option A, bast fibers, option B, sieve tubes, option C, companion cells or option D, sieve cells. In pteridophytes, phloem is without. Correct answer is option C. There is no companion cells in phloem of pteridophytes. Question number 64. Segmentation is seen in option A, chordates, option B, platyhelminthes, option C, askellhelminthes, option D, mollusca. Segmentation is seen in. The correct answer is option A, chordates. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.